Hey guys, Ronald here. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your keyboard. If you haven't cleaned it for years. So it's easy if just pull this out, these keys. I will try to clean it section by section so that I won't find it hard putting them back again. So that I know where to put them back. I'm going to arrange them like that. Then I'm going to use my brush. If you're going to pull this all together, you might find it hard where to place the particular key on where particular is left. So I'd like to clean it section by section if that's possible. I'm going to use a cotton bud with alcohol and remove as much dirt as I can. Okay, for areas where your finger is hard to squeeze into, if you have big fingers, you can use this key puller. You can use a key puller to pluck those keys out. And for the rest, you can use your fingers. Just arrange them accordingly as usual. Then brush those dust. And you might need lots of cotton buds to reach those corners that's hard to reach. If you want to buy this K-cup puller, I will put a link on the comment section, just in case you want to. Okay, now let's clean these cups. Actually, I've finished cleaning this area. Just want to show you, but I didn't record it earlier. Okay, those parts are clean now. Okay, that's it. I hope you like the idea and looking forward to seeing you again on our next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.